everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And so guys, today I've decided to take you through my day, and I just hope that you're going to enjoy this video as I show you how I normally spend my day from the time that I wake up till in the evening. So I'm going to take you through everything that I'm going to be doing today, so come with me. So guys, I'm done doing the dishes. It's taken a while since I had guests yesterday. It's now in the morning, so I decided I'll wake up in the morning and do the dishes. So let me show you. When I moved into this house, I found this thing here and it has refused to come out. I look for someone to help me remove the I've been busy during the week and I've not had enough time to do cleaning in my own house. So let me show you how my toilet looks like. It's so dirty, guys. So let me clean everything, then I'll come back when I'm done. Let me first show you the before, then I'll show you the after. So guys, that's my mirror. Yes, I know it's embarrassing, so dirty. show you how it has turned out to be. I tried to remove these things, but they were not coming out. So I don't know if there's someone who knows, who can plug me with someone who is able to remove these things. Kindly plug me with someone. Even this tap, you see my tap is, these things are not coming out. I don't like them at all. Zinanibo. So someone should just plug me. Okay.
cooking anything, so let me just go get